Imagine waking up every morning knowing that you're making an extra $900 per day. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, I've found a secret strategy that can turn this dream into reality, and it's incredibly simple. Introducing Link to Video, a system that lets you transform trending news articles into full videos in minutes. No video editing, no on-camera work, and no scripts required. You simply copy the link to a trending article, paste it into a user-friendly tool, and voila, a video is created for you. At first, I thought this was too good to be true. But after diving deeper and seeing others make it work, I was convinced. One example? A YouTube channel I found posts videos on trending topics and racks up hundreds of thousands of views daily. With an average of 250,000 views per day and a $5 RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, that's 1,250 per day. I've also seen channels leverage viral topics, like a video on an Australian breakdancer at the Olympics that shot up from 1,000 views to over 150,000 in just one day. That single video alone earned about $775 in ad revenue. It's crazy how easy this method is, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Find trending topics. To get started, you'll need to discover trending topics. These are the gold mines for creating viral videos. There are 2 fantastic tools for this. Google Trends. Type Trends, google.com, into your browser. It's a free tool that shows you what's currently trending across the web. With access to Google's vast search data, you can identify spikes in search volume and jump on viral topics before they explode. How to use Google Trends. Trending Now tab. From the Google Trends homepage, click on the Trending Now tab to see the hottest topics within the last 24 hours. Narrowing down. If you want to catch trends before they explode, you can change the time frame to see trends from the last 4 or 6 hours. This is key if you want to beat others to the punch and be one of the first to cover a trending topic. Search volume. Keep an eye out for topics that show a significant spike in search volume. A 100% increase is fantastic. Jumping on these early can give you an edge, as your video might be among the first to ride the wave of virality. Also, don't overlook sub-trending topics. If you click on a broad topic like Olympics, you'll find hundreds of more specific trends. Use these sub-trends to pinpoint a unique angle for your video. This is often where the real viral magic happens. Google New. Another option is Google News, news.google.com, which aggregates trending articles from top news sources. You can filter by category and find the hottest stories that align with your channel's niche. How to use Google News. Select your niche. Example, sports, politics, tech, etc. And browse through the top trending articles. Once you find an article that sparks your interest, click on it, grab the URL, and get ready to turn it into a video. Step 2. Create videos with just a link. Once you've found a trending topic, the next step is creating your video. The tool we'll use is called Invid AI. It's a game changer. All you need is the link to your chosen news article. Paste the link into InVideo, and the tool does the rest. It even generates a voiceover using the voice clone feature. Yes, you can clone your own voice, so you don't have to record anything new for each video. I've included a link to the website in both the description and the pinned comment of this video. By using this link, you'll be able to try out InVideo completely free, giving you a chance to explore the tool and see if it suits your needs. I'm confident you'll love how easy it is to use, but I still recommend testing it out yourself first. Once you've tried it and feel ready to take the next step, you can upgrade to the paid version, which is incredibly affordable. The paid version comes with a bunch of added features, and most importantly, it removes all watermarks from your videos. Trust me, you don't want your videos to have unprofessional-looking watermarks. With the paid version, you'll also unlock tons of additional tools, including one of my favorites, the voice cloning tool. Once you've created your InVideo account, here's how the tool works. copy the article link. Once you've found a news article on Google Trends or Google News, copy the link to that article. Open Invid AI. Paste the link into Invid AI, a powerful tool that does the heavy lifting for you. If you don't have an account yet, use the link I've included in this description to sign up for free and try it out. Create the title. For the video title, simply copy the headline from the news article. No need to brainstorm. Just use what's already there. Voiceover options. Invid AI gives you multiple options for voiceovers. You can use their voice clone tool, which lets you clone your own voice with a quick 30-second recording. This is perfect if you don't want to record every single video yourself. Add background music and subtitles. Invid also allows you to add music and subtitles automatically. You can either choose specific settings or let the tool make those decisions for you. Generate the video. Click Create, and Invid will build your entire video, complete with stock footage, graphics, and your voiceover. In just minutes, you'll have a complete video ready for upload. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Step 3. Personalize your videos. For the finishing touches, you can personalize the video by adding footage from other sources or even screen recording clips from YouTube to match the topic. Personalizing your video will make it more engaging and authentic. While Invid AI pulls in stock footage to match your topic, I recommend adding a personal touch. This can be as simple as recording additional footage related to your subject matter. For example, if you're covering an earthquake, you can use real footage of the event to make the video feel more relevant and impactful. And don't forget the call to action. Encourage viewers to like and subscribe at the end of your video. This helps build engagement and ensures you keep growing your audience. Maximize your reach with multilingual videos. Did you know you can make your videos in over 50 languages? Invid AI allows you to convert your videos into different languages, like Spanish or French. This can dramatically expand your audience and, of course, boost your earnings. Make it work on your schedule. Don't have hours to spare? No problem. Invid AI also has a mobile app, meaning you can start your side hustle right from your phone. Create and edit videos on the go during your lunch break or while commuting. It's that flexible and easy. Final thoughts. Consistency is key. This side hustle works, and it's already making people tens of thousands of dollars each month. One channel I found posts several videos daily, and while not every video goes viral, they still average about 35 million views per month, which translates to around $583 per day. The best part? Even if you only post a few videos and don't hit viral numbers right away, earning $500 or $600 a day still adds up to $188,000 per year. And you can do this with just a few minutes of your time each day. So, what are you waiting for? Try out Invid AI for free by using the link in the description. I believe in you, and I know you can make this work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep pushing forward. I'll see you again soon.